Alright, so these are the new songs teaser of Wakas at Simula album from the channel Mahalima. I-like natin yan. Let's see, man. This is what I'm excited for. Damn, the live stream has 309,000 plays or viewers with almost 30 million likes. God damn. Ako, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga kanta. Mga new songs. So, malalaman na natin dito, guys. What the heck?
Before anything else, since nandito na rin po kayo, we would actually like to maybe let you hear the snippets of our tracks. Ilan ba ang paparinig natin? 5. So, since meron
Bakit 5? Anong 5? 5 lang?
kaming 5 new tracks,
5 lang? Di ba at least 8 pag album? How many songs does an album have? 7 to 15. Bakit 5 lang?
and we value your time, syempre, di ba? We want to give you more. We want you guys to hear this. So, ayun.
Alam nyo, bagong development to. As in, ngayon nyo lang naisip. Guys, ang swerte nyo!
Yes, ngayon lang po. Ngayon lang.
Okay, so ipaparinig po natin ang ilan sa mga tracks. Ito ba yung mga bago?
Yes,
yung
po.
bagong songs, maririnig na natin, guys! Let's go!
Yeah, you're
Okay, let's
very
hear it.
lucky.
Blast it off, blast it off. Remix po yun.
Remix. Oo. Ganyan po sila ka-hands-on.
Pang McDo lang, Mastercraft Gcash 500 nag-send. Check natin yung Gcash natin. Guys, nag-send na pang McDo. Master Grace. Nandito na yung pa Gcash pa Cash G ni Master Grace with the M2 batch. Master Grace, thank you so much sa pang McDo natin. Maraming salamat, Master Grace. Thank you so much. You are awesome, Master Grace. Isa kang napakalupit na nilalang. And do you know what? You are freaking beautiful. Gorgeous. Maraming salamat, Master Grace. Thank you so much. Let's go. Thank you so much, Master Grace.
Sa lahat ng shows nila, I've been witness to that. Talagang bawat detail ay gusto po nilang pagandahin. And they want to deliver the best experience, not just for the fans, but also for the friends from the media na laging nakasuporta sa SB19.
Ano yan? Ba't nagpe-play? Ba't parang ang awkward nun? Dapat naka-earphone siya muna nun. E di narinig na namin. Wala akong naririnig, guys. Ba't naka-silent yung ano?
Sabi ko pa noon dati ayos na mag-isa Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya yung
Ano yung punyeta na yun? Is that gonna be my new favorite song? Oh my god, that sounds so cool, man. What the heck? Shit. Putik, wait lang. Putik, wait lang!
Are you ready to fill the world with a memory? Sabi ko pa nun dati ayos na mag-isa Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya Yung
Sabihin ba natin anong track yun? That
I
was?
think so.
Sinabi na ba yung title?
That was the number 2 track, Memories. Sinabi naman na sa lyrics.
Memories, memories.
Yes.
Ayun po.
What the fuck? I didn't even hear Memories. So the title is Memories. Oh my god, that sounds so good, man. Oh my god, that's so good, man. What the fuck?
binigay kanya Yung Are you ready to fill? Are you ready to fill the world with a memory? Sabi ko pa nun dati ayos na mag-isa Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya
Oh my!
Sabihin ba natin anong track yun?
That's good. What the hell? Memories. Oh.
Yeah,
That
I
was?
think so.
Sinabi na ba yung title?
That was
Oh my
the
god.
number
Man, sana di nila sinabi yung title. Hindi ko naman nahalata eh.
2 track,
Wow.
Memories. Sinabi naman na sa lyrics.
Memories, memories.
Yes.
Memories.
Na-enjoy.
Memories.
So that's one.
Somebody to play with for the night.
This one.
You're crazy at your
You are fire, I will smoke You came over to play
Oh my god, we're entering the novelty era. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. SB19 is gonna be all over the world. Eto na yun, man. I've been saying this, that SB19 should make songs that are fire to the ears and to just chill and play it inside your car, play it anywhere habang bumabiyahe na parang wala masyadong malalim na meaning. Yung parang medyo novelty shit lang. Na parang hindi pa rin natin pinapabayaan yung lyrics but it's more on the novelty side for the fans to just listen, for the casuals to just dive in and just play in their playlists. Wow. Oh my god, it sounds good.
You are fire, I will smoke You came over to play And I didn't ask us, did you call my name?
Oh my god. Philip is heavy with the falsettos. The first track, yung kanina, yung Memories, the falsetto of Ken is so awesome right there. And this second song is same as that. Philip is coming out, man. Hard in these tracks.
I couldn't face what I felt Daydreaming was right Now I still keep all our secrets I see the picture It's leading around Feels like something could go badly wrong But the imagination took us away Tell me why You giving me all that on and off You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night
Putang ina, ang technical naman nung nun. Ang technical naman nung rhythmic pattern dito sa Toy Friend ba to? Ang technical naman nung chorus, yung beat sa chorus, very technical siya. Very very technically difficult. Very nice.
Tell me why you giving me all that on and off You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night
Oh, di ba? Hindi sabay yung beat eh. Napakaganda eh. Very ang tawag nito, unorthodox yung dating niya.
Tell me why you giving me all that on and off You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night You're crazy ritual is unpredictable Following your trauma Say you can trust no guy No, you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend I don't wanna be just another toy friend I don't wanna be just another toy friend
Alam mo talaga yung boyfriend yung Ulul, di ka nagrereklamo yung mga shota na pinagtitripan nyo lang. Mas maraming naluloko na babae. Di ba?
Are you guys enjoying the listening party? Listening party pala bigla, no? Album listening party.
SB19 lang yung pwedeng gumawa niyan, boy.
All 24 tracks! Ne, joke lang. Yung bago lang, guys. Bagong songs.
Ilang track kaya sa album? How many?
So that one is a collaboration between Be First, Japanese
Ang ba't piniplay? Nagsasalita pa sila eh.
K-pop artist, group.
Sino yung magpiplay dun? Nagsasalita this na hindi nila ilalabas yung teaser sa YouTube. Sana hindi nila gawin yun. Gusto ko kasi yung ilabas nila yung direction na music video. Wala na yung parang lyric video. Gusto ko album agad. Direkta na. How many? 8? I think. I just heard stupid and that's Ken right there. Oh, is kay halatang kay Kento. Bitches. I just heard bitches and I'm sold. I am freaking sold. I just heard them say bitches in a song. Let's go. Is that Pablo right there? Said bitches? I don't know, man.
So I turn the heat up and not sure buddy gon' feel me. Shit looks in my trip top like each firm that mold me. Matter of fact, it's going so heavy gon' take all the bitches to mold me.
Bitches, man. This is the best album. Right here. Master, thank you then. Thank you so much, Master Grace. Thank you so much, guys. You're having fun. Maraming salamat. That's all I wanna do to give you a little bit of joy every time na nanonood tayo ng videos. Maraming salamat. Master Grace, thank you so much palagi ha.
Ken, anong kanta yon? That was
That one's Ever Black.
Ever Black.
Damn. And the title is awesome. Ever Black. Wow. Can you imagine, man? Ever Black. An OPM song entitled Ever Black. Wow. Hello, Master Gloria.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go to our next track.
Yeah, tama yan, Master Dana.
Wag muna na tayo mag-reveal much about each track. Title lang.
Yes.
Title.
This is a Josh Collins song, man. Just hearing it for the first time, it's a Josh Collins song. And it's starting amazingly.
Title lang.
Yes.
Title.
Oh my god.
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the neon skin, I'm glowing. Keep it cute, keep it exciting. See the cover for a messy place. What's in my mind?
Oh my god. The beat on this song is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, man. This is... Man.
Cannot be traced, and I won't say much, just get your face. With thumbs ups and hearts like this in a hot top.
Swipe, pause, slash post, then I'll pause. Trending fingers crossed. I don't really mind cause it ain't hard.
I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time, tago-tagoan ng feelings in my husay. Emoji, what's a minute, go read between the lines.
Oh lol, yan yung rap. Ano ba yung nakuha ni Josh? Hip Hop Song of the Year. Kine-question nyo si Josh Cullen, that's the Hip Hop Song of the Year. Sa mga iyakin dyan ng mga rap songs, kuno, magaling daw sila. This is, eto yun. Hip Hop yan.
Tago-tagoan ng feelings in my husay. Emoji, what's a minute, go read between the lines.
Wanna be the thunderball. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be the thunderball. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Beautiful.
Sabi ni Master Josie, sa mga wala pang Weavers, magpa-member na kayo, higitan natin ng girl group na 103. gusto ko yung goal, higitan yung yung girl group. Ako makilala ko Sir Josie, higitan yan, pero
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. True? Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the feel, this morning things
may sinasayaw na sila, man. Oh.
feel. Emoji knows the drill. I fake it cause it's
Sinasayaw na ni Stel, may sayaw na.
real. That everybody's ill. Emoji
That's how you know they love what they do, man. They're dancing right now. Gumagawa na siya ng choreo. O baka may choreo na to. Man, we never know. But, let me just say na sa lahat ng narinig ko so far, my favorite was the first one, I think. Yung parang may rap part si Josh doon. I don't know. Pero yun yung pinakauna ata yung narinig ko. I think that's my bias right now. So far.
Yeah. And that is called Emoji. That's a collaboration song with super pop star Jolin.
Oh, yun yung ano nila. Yun yung tawag nito. Yun yung tawag nito ang si Jolin yung parang Taiwanese Taiwanese, yeah. Taipei. Tama ba? Yung superstar. Yun yung collaboration nila. Ang angas naman ng babae pala na yun.
Yes, Jolene. Pwede pong sumayaw, guys, ha? Huwag kayong mahiya. Oo,
Pwede
sabayan niyo
sumayaw?
ako kasi nahihiya ako maki-jive. Okay, thank you. That was Emoji. And last one, guys.
Yes.
Ay, ito na. Yung sinasabi mo.
What the fuck? A ballad song. And they just put the last song as a ballad. What the heck? SB19 hindi naglalabas ng hindi kompletong genre yan, man. What the heck?
Saksak puso, tulo ang dugo. Get
Very
ready to
slow.
cry, guys.
This is not good.
Di ko na
I don't like that shit. I don't like the sound of that bass from that first line and that instrumentals is gonna be a freaking heavy song and it's I can't do that shit. Di ko na. Wala na, pre. Huwag na natin pakinggan yung hayop na yan. Ang sakit na, wala pa. Hindi ko pa nga na-play eh. God damn. Ang kulimlim ng boses. What the? Ha? Huh. Punita! Nakaban ako sa last song, ha. This is not great, man. This is
Dugo. Get ready to cry, guys.
Di ko na
tapos yung may piano sa huling part. Tang tang tang. So niyo kaming ilabasan ng mga piano instrumental. Masyado kayo mapanakit, no? Lahat na eh.
Puso, tulo at dugo. Get ready to cry, guys.
Di ko na makita pa ang liwanag na dati malaya. Patuloy lang sa paglakad ang aking mga paa, panatag na kailan may di ako mag-isa. Ngunit
Bruh. Shit, man. Bukod sa malungkot siya, I'm feeling a little bit heartbroken. Ooh, that's heavy. That was fucking... Oh my god, my bias towards Filipino songs, Filipino lyricism is so... I'm so biased towards Filipino lyrics that it literally hurts when I hear about this this kind of tune. Not even hearing the lyrics, it hurts. Paano pa kung kompleto na siya? At isa pang masakit kasi hindi ko siya mapapakinggan na agad ng buo ngayon. It's frustrating to just wait for how many days lang? 3 days pa. Mabibitin ako sa... I think this is gonna be my favorite one. My favorite one sa simula at wakas was Quit. Oh my god.
patuloy lang sa paglakad ang aking mga paa, panatag na kailan may di ako mag-isa. Ngunit unti-unting kumampas lahat ng kulay, naglaho ang sigla ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan man ay walang patunay, umaasa na hindi ka pa mawawala. Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede bang huwag mo na kung bitawan? Di ba't kung mahalaga, di mo hayaang bawalan ng basta. Alam kong pagod ka na.
Grabe naman yun!
Man, that song alone can stand on its own. Oh my God. Nilalamig ako ng mainit sa ano ngayon, sa punyetang Manila. Kinikilabutan ako, and when I hear that, I remember Tilaluha, kung gaano ka sobrang sarap niyang pakinggan at gaano kasakit sa puso niyang pakinggan. And that's the ayun ba yun, yung debut ng SB19? When I hear those kinds of songs from these boys, these men, all I can say is this is SB19. It cannot be a well-established album or EP without a ballad, because one ballad from a bunch of songs in an EP or an album with one amazing ballad is SB19. Oh my God, nakaabot din. Hello, Chris. Hello, Master Northern Lights. How are you? I cannot move on from that, man. Pag narinig mo, alam mo talaga, oh, eto, SB19 coded. Kapag ka narinig mo yung ganong klaseng ballad. Bruh, how do they keep doing this? And they're not missing, man. They're awesome. Oh my God. I'm torn between this song and the first one. I think those two are gonna be my favorite, but I'm gonna have to pick one. Pero let's wait till 27th of March to really see kung sino yung magiging favorite ko. But man, this ballad is amazing. Oh my God. This is awesome. Sana wala akong makatabi na master sa concert, because if they play this, bruh, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm gonna have my towel ready for this, because I'm not gonna hold on to not crying, because I'm not gonna, I can't do it, man. Man, I wanna cry right now. What the fuck? This is hard.
Oh, nananakit kayo, guys! That was...
Wakas.
Oh my God, and the title is Wakas! How beautiful is this? And the title of the song is Wakas, man. Oh my gosh, just kill me already, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. How beautiful is that, right? To end a song with Wakas. Oh my God, kinikilabutan ako, buwisit. Oh my God, wait lang, nahihilo ako. Nala-lightheaded ako sa gusto kong umiyak. Gusto ko na siyang ilabas ngayon eh. Fuck.
Oh, nananakit kayo, guys! That was...
Wakas.
Wakas. Pang ilang track? Last. Kasi wakas.
It's even the last song of the album, literally. Akala ko parang yung last yung remix or Visa remix. My heart cannot take this anymore, man. I didn't take it with oh my God, parang nanghina ako dun ah. OA ba yun? OA ang puta. Parang ako nanghina dun, parang ang tagal kong hindi nakaramdam ng ballad ng SB19 kasi puro kasi sila wild lately, di ba? Oh my God, it takes me... Tangina, parang ako. Parang naiiyak ako lang walang dahilan. Ulul. Okay, let me just compose myself here, man. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome, man.
Yes.
Ayun na. Okay, so guys, na-enjoy niyo ba yung surprise listening party
Ah,
natin?
yes, we did.
Salamat.
Alright, that's SB19
Huh.
for you. Pablo, you wanna say something?
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Katulad po ng sinabi namin, malaking party po kayo ng journey ng SB19. That's why we wanted to
Oh
let you guys
my
listen.
god, yung
kahit
puso ko
sa
ngayon, hindi siya handa.
Sobrang, ano ba, yung journey po ng SB19, ito pong closure na ginagawa namin. Sobrang laki po ng effect sa amin. Personally, sa maturity namin, sa lahat ng bagay-bagay. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung buong track na inilalabas namin. Kasi po, ito po yung mga tracks na lalabas po ng ibang bansa.
Tangina, wala na akong pakialam sa album. Yung wakas. Ilabas niyo yung wakas. Kailangan. Huwag niyo na ilabas yung album. Yung wakas na lang. Wisit na wakas yan.
Para ipakita yung Filipino talent. Maraming salamat po. Again, maraming salamat
Nakakainis. Naiinis ako nang hindi ko siya mapapakinggan ngayon mismo. Wisit.
po sa nagustuhan niyo yung pakikinig sa aming panibagong mga
Bruh.
tunes.
Tangina.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much. Once again, SB19, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.